Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to order different shaped pictures in the Yolobook application. You should enter the app first, then scroll down a little and you will see the Yolo Tiles option here. Click on it and you will see that there are two options here that you can go with, either the square or the hexaform. Now it's up to preference which one you choose. I will choose the first one and you can choose basically four options here, how many pictures you want, 3, 6, 9, 12. Now I will go with the 3. I will proceed with order, then I will select the 3 pictures that I want to be shaped. I will X this, and then you can see that here you can edit your pictures, you can crop them, rotate them, or just zoom in. Now this is up to preference. For me it's okay like this. Yes, we go on with this little arrow here and then we proceed to pay with the next button. So this would be it. I hope it was helpful and see you next time. Bye bye.